Hello gentlemen, and welcome back to the shack. Today I'm going to show you how to load the contacts database into the TYT MD 2017. Now this 2017 here, let me see. No, this one has the factory firmware. As you can see on the screen right now, somebody's talking and my database is old, so it says ID unknown. This 2017 has the latest factory firmware from TYT. It doesn't have any hack software on this one, Roger. It is all just like yours will be when you get it. Now, you open your CPS. The version that I'm using is version, I think it's 1.22. 1.22. I haven't checked for new versions in a while. They might have a new version out by now. I'm not for sure. But right now I'm using version 1.22. I sent you a link to the website of where you can go and download your CVS file. And just go to that website and you'll see step 1, you pick out your radio. Step 2 is if you want to make any changes to the full database, if you want to, delete a state or delete a certain country or something to make it smaller, you can do that. Or if you don't want to make any changes to it, just hit step 3 and click download, and shabam, she will make the CSV file for you. Once you've got the CSV file, if you're having trouble getting it, just let me know, Roger, and I'll send you one. Once you've got your CSV file and you've got your 2017 plugged up to your computer, open your CPS, go to Program, then you can go to Write Contacts right there. Okay, Read Write Contacts. First thing you got to do is import the contacts to the software. So hit Import. Okay, now it's asking you, where's the contact file at? I saved mine to the desktop, I believe. Yeah, right there, Custom Contacts. Hit Open. And it should import successful. Click OK. Okay, now you will do is just click Write. And PC program mode. Writing data to radio. Basically, that is it. That is the easiest way that I know to do it. I don't go in and make any changes to files and move things around. I don't do any of that mess. I download the full database, and I think when I looked at it, it was 97,000 and something other contacts. So yeah, we're getting the 2017, as far as I know, will only hold 100,000. So once we get up to 100,000, then we're going to have to, probably have to, when you create the file, you'll have to, remove off, certain continents or countries that you don't want in your database file. So basically that's it. We'll let it write. It will take it a while. It is a little slow to write. It's a lot of data to send to the radio, but as you can see, it's sending it over. So yeah, that's it. What else can I say? Yaesu's coming out with a new radio. I'm guessing everybody's heard about that from the Hamvention and Xena, the new FTDX 101D, which is from the looks of it, it's a beautiful looking radio, dual receivers, and it looks really, really nice. I just recently bought a 2017, so I can't tell you if if I would buy another radio again. I probably will. I love new stuff, new technology, and I'm a huge Yaesu fan, so yeah. I still have my 2017. I still have, that's a CS580. And I have my Motorola 7550, which I still love. I still have my 9600, which doesn't get used very much. I need to put it back in the car. Mostly I'm on my Motorola because I just love it so much. It's just, I don't know, it's just grown to me, I guess. It's an awesome radio. I really didn't figure I'd like it. I thought, well, I'm going to give it a try, and if I like it, I'll keep it, and if I don't, out the door she goes. I'll just get rid of it, but I really, really liked it. It's got a ton of different features that I love, and I really like it. I haven't been in the DMR much lately, guys. I've been extremely sick and back in the hospital again, spending more time with the nurses and doctors, which just blatantly sucks. But thank God now I don't. Used to, as you can see, if you look at my arms, you don't see any veins. I don't have any veins. But now I have a port. If any of you, I'm sure some of you know what a port is, but I have a port now, which is a godsend, because when I go in, I don't have to be stuck with needles 1,000 times. They just hook me up and shabam, I'm on my way. Other than that, that's about it. I've been doing some research on antennas when I'm not sick and I'm in the hospital and I'm in my recovery stage. I usually just lay in the bed and my wife brings me some QST magazines and I read them, or I've got a stack of books over there, some antenna handbooks and all that stuff, and I try to read and learn about the way antennas work and all that stuff. I'm fascinated with antennas. I just love antennas, and I want to learn everything about impedance and reactance and all of that good stuff. So guys, this is taking forever, and I know you guys don't want to hear me sit and ramble, so I'm going to pause the video and let this thing finish up there, and then I will be right back. And Roger, I will try to get your video next on your, let's see, where's it at? Got a little dust on the screen. The focus, thank you, FTM 400D. I will show you how to update the firmware on that, which is a relatively simple. It's just it's easy, but it's a hassle. You know, you just got to take the lid off and yada 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 yada. They really could have made it easier if they really wanted to. Other than that, that's about it. I'll make a video, Roger. Kenwood's coming out with a new radio, which, yeah, I'm not really, I guess you could say a big Kenwood fan. It's, you know, it seems like the same old technology, just in a prettier box, you know, no SDR stuff, and just a glorified, you know, analog transceiver. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. We're about 44%, and we will wait a minute here. When it gets finished, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, welcome back. We are up to 98%. It took it, I guess, about 10 or 15 minutes, not too long, to get it all wrote. And she's almost done, as you can see. Pating, pating. There we go. Data write success fail. And the 2017 just rebooted, and as you can see, everybody's call sign is popping up on the screen. I haven't updated this radio. It's been a long time, so it was a good time to make a video, Roger. It needed an update. It's been several months since I had updated this one anyway, so it needed it. And that's the way everything will show up on the screen if you've done it just exactly the way the video shows you. And that's the way I like it. Everything works great. Alright, that's it. That's all I have for now. All that I can say is 73s. I hope to hear you on the air. And guys, please subscribe. I think at the time of making this video, I believe I only needed 20 subscribers, 20 guys that I want to give a big thanks to everybody who helped me get, everybody who subscribed, everybody who helped me get subscribers. A big thanks to you, Roger, for sending emails and stuff to other hams, getting them to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And if there's anything I can do to help you, always give me a call. But anyway, guys, 73s, and enjoy your evening, and hope to hear you on DMR. And Roger, that's the way you do it. If you need any other help, just give me an email. Or if you need that CSV file, if you can't figure it out or something, just send me an email and I will send it right your way. But 73s to everybody for now, and don't forget to give me the thumbs up. If you have any questions about the video, post them below. And if you have a video on some ham radio related gear, or if you have a video that you would like to see on some ham radio gear, if I have the gear, I will make the video, or anything DMR related, antenna related, whatever. 73s for now, guys, and hope to hear you on the air. Stop.